महोदय, महोदय,
क्वेश्चन आवर प्लीज अपनी सीट पे बैठ जाए। क्वेश्चन आवर, आप सवाल पूछें।
मैं सरकार से को इस बात के लिए धन्यवाद देता हूं कि उन्होंने पटना एयरपोर्ट को बहुत ही चकाचक बना दिया है, चकाचक बना दिया है।
सवाल पूछे।
इसके लिए मैं धन्यवाद देते हुए कहना चाहूंगा,
सवाल पूछे
कि यह जो प्रश्न का उत्तर दिया गया है,
कोई और चीज रिकॉर्ड पे नहीं जा रही है, ये सवाल
नहीं है।
क्वेश्चन आवर का समय है, कोई चीज रिकॉर्ड पे
हमारे प्रश्न का उत्तर
प्लीज सीट पे जाए।
माननीय मंत्री जी ने एक गोल मटोल वक्तव्य के द्वारा देने का काम किया है। मैं मंत्री जी से जानना चाहूंगा, मैंने 2 प्रश्न किए थे कि पटना एयरपोर्ट का अंतर्राष्ट्रीय हवाई अड्डा नाम क्यों है, जबकि वहां से कोई हवाई अंतर्राष्ट्रीय उड़ता नहीं है, और क्या कोई अंतर्राष्ट्रीय उड़ान वहां से शुरू करना चाहेंगे? तो इसका उत्तर नहीं है। मैं मंत्री जी से यही जानना चाह रहा हूं कि वहां से अंतर्राष्ट्रीय उड़ान कब तक से शुरू करना चाहेंगे?
माननीय मंत्री जी, फर्स्ट सप्लीमेंट्री।
Sir, I understand that there is a requirement for running international operations from the Patna International Airport. And as such, sir, now the Patna Airport is open to international operations because it is a customs notified airport. And they are open to fly to 5 SAARC countries and 10 ASEAN countries also under the open sky policy. But the issue is, sir, there is a fundamental problem with the Patna International Airport because of the shorter runway. Because of the shorter runway, there is a load penalty that applies to the aircraft, through which they are not able to run with operational efficiency and to carry the highest capacity. So that restricts the commercial viability of having these international operations. But there are alternative solutions that are being worked out. And whenever we see, sir, when we want the airline operators to operate this international, one is first having an air service agreement with those countries, having the points open so that the connectivity is there, the point of call is there between the two countries. On top of that, the airline operators look for commercial viability also. And here the problem of the commercial viability comes in because of the load penalty issue. And that is one reason we feel that is why the international operations are not there. But either with this, sir, now Beta, which is another airport with a longer runway, that is also coming into operations. And then under the budget, we have announced another greenfield airport also. So there are many solutions that are being worked out, because for us in the country, Bihar is one of the most priority regions. On behalf of the central government also, I can say, sir, as early as possible, we are also working towards a solution so that Patna, not only Patna, and other airports from Bihar also, let's say Gaya airport, the international operations increase from this airport.
Second supplementary, Dr. Bhim Singh.
माननीय मंत्री जी से मैं जानना चाहता हूं कि क्या प्राइवेट कंपनियों से ये वायबिलिटी का अध्ययन कराना चाहेंगे? मंत्री जी ने कहा कि वाणिज्यिक अध्ययन के आधार पर निर्णय लिया जाता है, तो मैं माननीय मंत्री जी से जानना चाहता हूं कि वाणिज्यिक अध्ययन कराना चाहेंगे, और कराना चाहेंगे तो कब तक? रनवे की लंबाई बढ़ाने के लिए क्या उपाय किए जा रहे हैं?
माननीय मंत्री जी।
Sir, this expansion of runway issue has been going on for a long time, and we have tried every single bit. And land is a state subject, sir, and we have requested the state many times for expansion of the runway, requested for land. But there, if you see, on one side there is an existing railway line, and on the other side there is a historical clock tower, and there is also a geological park. So it is very, very difficult to obtain land in that area to expand the runway. And when it comes to commercial viability, sir, like I said, there is a penalty of 2 to 2.5 tons, and that is equal to 20 to 25 vacant seats. Now we have to run with 20 to 25 vacant seats to come under the load penalty. And if you look at the numbers, there are some numbers that the survey say. To Dammam, which is in Saudi Arabia, Patna, people traveling to Dammam is approximately 582 seats per week. And if you look at Dubai, it is 481 seats per week. And usually we take this 186-seater Airbus to travel to these destinations. And if you look at 580 or 480 seats that are traveling from Patna to these locations, it is translating into 3 flights per week. Usually the commercial viability happens when there are 7 flights per week. There is a demand to run 7 flights per week. So we are looking into this, sir. We are doing the study also on how many people, because so that it becomes easier to convince the private airline operators also to operate these sectors. And in fact, the operators also do their own surveys, because they are also in the intention to connect more areas, to connect new routes. So definitely this is also under consideration, and we will support from our side also so that this survey or the viability is thoroughly being addressed.
थैंक यू। माननीय अशोक मित्तल, ये सवाल पटना एयरपोर्ट से जुड़ा है, आपका सवाल इस पर है, प्लीज।
धन्यवाद महोदय। सर, हाल में इंडिगो की फ्लाइट C6E2482 जो कि एयरबस A320 और 271N थी और दिल्ली से पटना आ रही थी। जयप्रकाश नारायण इंटरनेशनल एयरपोर्ट पटना पर लैंडिंग के दौरान रनवे को ओवरशूट करके आगे निकल गई। यह घटना तकरीबन रात को हुई और एक हादसा बचा। सर, पटना एयरपोर्ट की रनवे लंबाई लंबे समय से चिंता का विषय रही है। वर्तमान में अनस्टेबल रनवे केवल 1670 मीटर तक सीमित है। खासकर एडवर्स विंड कंडीशन में यह लंबाई न केवल नैरो बॉडी एयरक्राफ्ट जैसे A320 और B737 के लिए रिस्की है, बल्कि वाइड बॉडी एयरक्राफ्ट जैसे बोइंग 777 और 787 या एयरबस A390 के लिए तो कंप्लीटली अनफीजिबल है, जिन्हें 2500 से 3500 मीटर रनवे की जरूरत होती है। मेरा सवाल आपके माध्यम से मिनिस्टर ऑफ सिविल एविएशन से प्रश्न है, क्या ऐसी कोई फिजिबिलिटी रिपोर्ट तैयार की जा रही है जिससे पता लग सके कि फ्यूचर में लार्ज एयरक्राफ्ट ऑपरेशन में पटना एयरपोर्ट को कैसे सुरक्षित बनाया जा सकता है? धन्यवाद।
माननीय मंत्री जी।
Sir, based on the runway constraints, which the only honorable member has also mentioned, the Patna airport is a smaller runway, sir, where there are restricted operations with the load penalty only, and which is very much thoroughly followed by the regulator and the airline operator also, so that safe operations happen at the Patna airport. And whenever these kind of incidents happen, they are properly investigated and ensured that the next time these kind of incidents don't happen. But when it comes to the futuristic solution on having wide body operations and having long overhaul operations from these areas, then it is proposed to have a new airport only, Greenfield Airport. But as this airport is restricted, and if you want to expand the runway also, it is physically impossible, because there is railway track on one side and there is a clock tower on the other side, and without the land you can't expand the runway also. So within the stipulated runway of what you have mentioned to be 2,100 meters, to have these wide body operations is not at all possible. So an alternate runway which can cater for the wide body operations is being considered. In the budget also, a greenfield airport for the city of Patna has been proposed. So we are actively looking into this solution by creating alternative airport.
Dr. V. Shivdasan, you have